These are all the mistakes that a lot of people are making. If that sounds like you're doing any of these things, you need to watch this video so I can teach you how to prevent under eye creasing. Mistake number 1, forgetting to hydrate your under eye area. Mistake number 2, applying any concealer under your eye, not taking into consideration your lines and your wrinkles or the dryness under your eye. Number 3, applying your concealer with a beauty blender if you have lines and wrinkles. Number 4, setting your under eye area if you have lines or wrinkles or if your under eyes is already dry. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you hydrate your under eye. The second thing you want to do is to make sure that your concealer is suitable for your under eye area. By that I mean, if you are a person that have fine lines and wrinkles, if you have dry under eyes, you want to make sure that you are using a concealer that is very hydrating. The reason why your concealer might be creasing is also because you're applying it like a 16-year-old girl. Your under eyes age. If you don't notice, your under eye area, the skin under your eye is 6 to 10 times thinner than your face. That's the reason why when you are moisturizing your under eye, you do not use the same moisturizer that you use on your face. You want a moisturizer that is designed for your under eye area because it's not the same skin that's on the face that's underneath the eye. You want to take into consideration how delicate the under eye area is. So I'm going ahead and apply this concealer. You want to focus on the inner part of the eye. Please do not put concealer on the outer part of your eye. Most of the times under eye area, this is a part of your eye that you need the most coverage. You want to take a brush, not a sponge. Why a brush? The reason you want a brush is because a brush, you want to do sweeping motions like this. You're going to apply that product into the lines and the wrinkles, just like this. And this brush is going to help the product to be spread out very thin, so there won't be enough product to settle. You see how even though I have fine lines under my eyes, you can't even see them. That's what you want to go for. You want to use a sweeping motion, not a patting motion. Sweeping motion is going to apply your concealer in all the lines and wrinkles and spread the products very thin on the under eye area, which will prevent it from creasing throughout the day. So this is what your under eye area will be looking like, very hydrated. You see it? It's going to make your under eye area look like you're very youthful. It's not going to age you. The next thing that you want to do is make sure, like I said, did you notice I'm using a brush and not a sponge? The reason why is because a sponge is designed to tap product, and the more you're tapping that product on there, you're applying the product heavier under the eye. When you're using a brush in a sweeping motion, you're thinning out that product, which is going to make it less likely to crease. The next mistake a lot of people do is to set their under eye area. You heard me. Yes. Do not set your under eye area if you have lines and wrinkles. If you apply a hydrating concealer and you do it exactly how I'm showing you here, your under eye area will not settle. It will not crease. Believe you me, because I've been doing this for almost a year now, and I have tried every tip and trick in the book, but this is the only one that have worked. This is the concealer tip of the year, guys, and I'm telling you, if you apply these concealer tips, your under eye area will look hydrated, it will look illuminated, your skin will look amazing, and you will look youthful. You're not going to look like you're tired. And you most likely are going to walk around with confidence knowing that your under eye area is looking perfect. All right, so let me go ahead and finish my makeup and I'll come back and show you guys what everything looks like. Okay, guys, that is it. That's all I have for you guys today. I am actually on my way to work. So thank you guys for watching.